Welcome to Engineering Jr with Strawbees 2, where students dive into the world of engineering, biology, and mechanics through fun, hands-on activities. This course features 3 engaging focus areas: a journey through shapes, fun with animals, and simple machines, designed to inspire creativity, teamwork, and problem-solving while helping students understand the world around them. Through hands-on building and exploration, students develop critical thinking and engineering skills in a playful, interactive environment. In a journey through shapes, students discover the engineering foundations of geometry. They'll build and compete with geometric structures, enhancing spatial awareness and strategic thinking as they design sturdy, functional models. In Fun with Animals, students explore the fascinating world of animal biomechanics. By constructing models that mimic animal movements, they gain insight into how different species adapt to their environments and bring those ideas to life in their creations. In Simple Machines, students learn mechanical principles, from pulleys to levers, and use them to build sophisticated contraptions. This hands-on experience fosters innovation and strengthens complex problem-solving skills. Engineering Jr with Strawbees 2 develops engineering, biology, and mechanical skills through creativity and collaboration. Start your students' journey toward inventive thinking, teamwork, and lifelong learning today.